Here at the Property Factory. Just wanted to share with you a couple of clauses that we're now inserting in all contracts to ensure that the COVID-19 level restrictions that are in place, both now and also at settlement, if you're settling brand newly built properties that are ready to go, I want to share those clauses that are inserted in the contracts that protect you from stress and worry at the unconditional stage and also at the settlement stage. So here they are. Going to insert as a condition of purchase is the purchaser being satisfied with a due diligence inquiry into this purchase and purchaser obtaining finance for this purchase within 15 working days after the government reduces the COVID-19 level to level 3 or below, or to such date as may be mutually agreed. So what this says is you've got time from a legal, valuation and finance point of view to take care of the matters you need to before going unconditional on a contract. Particularly one that's newly built and where the property is ready to settle, and that gives you the ability then to make sure before you go unconditional you've had time to get those things done and time after the government lists those restrictions, which means those non-essential services can then be provided by those service providers. The condition of settlement is to add this new clause 38, which has largely been recommended for wider use by the Auction District Law Society. That says that the parties agree that settlement is hereby deferred to the 10th working day after the government reduces the COVID-19 level to level 2 or below, or to such date as mutually agreed. For the sake of clarity, neither party shall have any claim against the other in relation to this deferral. So what that means again is that ensures you've got time to undertake the matters you need to prior to settlement. From a finance, drawdown, and valuation point of view, it also means that we'll be at a stage with restrictions where tenants can happily inspect and move into the property, which is obviously pretty key if you're purchasing it as an investment property. And this also, for clarity, says that there'll be no penalties for late settlement or anything like that, and this clause helps take care of that. So in summary, those are the two clauses we're inserting just to help ease any stress or worry you have with going into contract, but also for smoothing the settlement process so that you can do everything you need to do as a client of the Property Factory. So in summary, hopefully that all makes sense and helps to give you peace of mind in terms of the next step you take with property investment and the Property Factory. And as always, ask our team if you need any help or you have any questions.